In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate the full suite of measurement tools in MetaCam Studio, which are designed for precise, multi-dimensional measurements and data extraction. All of these tools share the same control logic: left-click to select points and right-click to complete the selection. Click Distance and select your target points in the viewport to get the linear distance between them in real time. Click Area and select each vertex of your target to measure the total area of the polygon. Click Height and select your base plane, followed by your target plane. The software will analyze the geometry to automatically calculate the vertical height between them. Click Angle and select 3 points to measure the angle formed between them. Click Coordinate and select your target point to view its full coordinate data. Note that for datasets without absolute coordinates, local coordinates will be displayed instead. As a quick tip, always double-check your point placement to ensure maximum accuracy. Click Volume to calculate stockpile and cut and fill volumes. Adjust your view to fit the target, then click Start Drawing. Left-click to outline the projected area and right-click to finish. The selected boundary will highlight in red. Then, configure the parameters. The base method defaults to the minimum value, but you can customize it to fit your project needs. Set the grid size based on your required precision. For blank areas, you can choose to either leave them empty or fill them using interpolation. With the parameters set, click Compute. The software will instantly calculate the projected area, cut and fill surface areas, and the complete cut, fill, and total volumes. Click Export to get your volume measurement report.